Hi, this is 911. We got a call from this number. Do you have an emergency?
I don't know what is going on, but I called earlier and he came back.
What's your name? Okay, this is your husband that came back?
Yeah.
What's he doing right now?
I don't even know what is happening.
Is he getting physical with you?
Not with me. But
Is-
he's holding the door against the closet and saying that someone's trapped in there and trying to hit them with the part of the door that he broke.
And there's no one inside the closet?
Nobody's in there.
That's him yelling?
Yeah.
Does he have any weapons on him?
Just a piece of wood that I could see. I don't see anything else.
He's carrying a piece of wood.
Stop!
Hurry! 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 Fuck!
Not return to you tonight?
We'll give it to you. Hey, Wallace! Come out here with your hands up, man. Put that stick down right now. 7-6, you got a knife. Let's back up real quick. Yeah. Let me get a better... Hey, drop the knife right now, dude. Drop the knife right now. I'm gonna fucking shoot you, dude. Drop the knife. 7-6, doors open.
It's what's gonna happen, bro. I'm sorry, but that's what's gonna happen.
Hey, just put the knife down, dude, right now. Right now, put the knife down.
Even the subject threatening the female.
10-4, have the female
Drop the knife.
Just lock up inside. The door is broken.
Ready. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Drop.
Already flex it. Drop the
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Left yourself.
7-6, shot fired! Shot fired! Shot fired!
27 OAS.
He's still in the house. He's down. He's down. Hey,